Are you struggling to open certain websites in Internet Explorer on Windows 10 or 11? Don't worry, you don't need to download anything new. Today, I'll show you how to enable Internet Explorer mode right inside Microsoft Edge, quickly, easily, and safely. Start by launching Microsoft Edge. Look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three horizontal dots. This is your gateway to settings and more. From the menu, select Settings. Next, in the left-hand panel, find and click Default Browser. Here, you'll see an option labeled Allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. Click the drop-down next to it and select Allow. This gives you the ability to view websites using the Internet Explorer engine within Edge. After that, click Restart to relaunch the browser and apply your changes. No need to reboot your whole system, just a quick browser restart is enough. Now, whenever you come across a site that works better in Internet Explorer, open it, click the three dots again, and select Reload in Internet Explorer mode. The page will immediately switch, giving you full IE compatibility. A quick tip, if you don't see the IE mode option, make sure your Edge browser is up to date. Sometimes a simple update brings the feature back. And remember, Edge is more modern and secure, so use IE mode only when necessary. If you ever want to turn IE mode off, just go back to Settings greater than Default Browser and select Don't Allow. Your browser will return to its default Edge behavior. And that's it. A simple step-by-step way to toggle between Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer whenever you need it. Happy browsing, and thanks for watching.